K,
It's your boy Chris here.
and we back video. Yo, so we're gonna be trying to ball crawfish. We didn't get no crawfish balls, so now it's flipping. Yo, he letting them things because my boots are out.
Yep.
Be right back, guys.
I can hear you breathing, boy. You ugly. Boy, you one ugly ass nigga, boy. Who your mom is? You about to eat your ass, boy. It's gonna taste so good. I'm gonna pick your cousin up right quick. You and your cousin about to get picked up. You and your mom and your dad and your sister. Your auntie, your great grandma off your daddy's sister brother side. You hear me? Look at y'all. Look at y'all. One of them lost a hand and shit. The fuck? Take the stress out. It's my lean cup. Ooh. That baby bitch. I'm petting you, man. Bitch. I said put a shirt on. I mean a jacket on.
But I'm going.
Yo, when she sit down and she stand up, she'll be the same height when she sit down.
Can you help me take that out?
When she sit down in the chair, she be wiggling her feet. Feet don't touch the ground. When you see this video, you're gonna laugh. He trying to fight you. I wanna fight. I got time.
Okay, guys. So we're going to start boiling them because I don't think you can leave them in the water that long, and some of them are dying.
You haven't been to a crawfish ball before? The fuck?
That's what's the lie. This is not a lie.
And? Your mom was right when you said you don't got common sense.
No, like for real? No, I'm done. I don't want to do it too.
No, stop.
Because why would you say that?
I was just dumb. I was just dumb. I was just juicy. Now you gotta. Somebody gotta dig out a hand in that bitch.
You the man. Don't! Stop, Chris. Hold on. Why would you do that?
What do we do next?
Put them in the pot. Fill the pot with water.
What?
No, we need to fill the pot with water first.
Do you know what you could use besides fucking crawfish ball? You should have asked your grandpa. But they didn't have to.
Oh yeah. Oh. I made a mess. Yo, he not paying me no mind.
I don't keep me mad if you cut me off and it's awesome on the area. You about what he talking about.
Yo, I think we're gonna boil the crawfish first, then boil the potatoes and corn. I think that's what we're gonna do.
And I see we got the chop out.
Or should I boil the potatoes, the potato sausage? I like eggs. I like eggs in my crawfish bowl. Do you eat eggs in your crawfish bowl? TikTok. But I'm not gonna do it if he's not gonna eat it.
Mukbang.
Oh, stop it.
It's just so big, bro.
Big head. Can you go get the potatoes?
Die, bitches, die. I want you all in your eyes. You can't even see, nigga. Bitch.
Go get your potatoes.
All in his eyes. You can't even see me.
Stop, Chris. You're gonna kill them.
I'm gonna kill him. They'll die anyway. What is it?
Can you go get the potato out of the bathroom? I'll put that. Yo, Chris is extra when it came to the salt part because he poured all that fucking salt. Hold on. He poured all that salt on them crawfish. Like, what did the crawfish do to you?
The water bugs.
So I think we supposed to put the crawfish first.
They're really roaches in the water.
I think we're supposed to put the crawfish first and then put the potatoes because of the taste of the crawfish. But I don't know. But I always seen people put the potatoes and corn and sausage first because that ball faster. Yo, Chris about to take me off.
Give me a knife. I'm not cutting board.
Yeah, you know they got cutting board.
What is it?
Under the thing. So I think we gonna just do like, I don't know how much potatoes. I guess we could do like 6 potatoes and cut them. We're gonna do 6 potatoes. We're gonna cut 6 potatoes, y'all. As for the sausage part, I don't know. Stop being childish! Should I cut them in halves like this? Yeah.
Why do we be cut my ass? I'm about to cut you back.
Yo, Chris B wants smoking me so fucking bad.
Now we do all the potatoes.
I know, that's what I was just thinking. You could put...
That much right here.
No, I like potatoes. Yo, Chris is an asshole. I could have a minute. I said I want the fuck.
Alright.
You don't tell me how much to pay. Do they still have some of that other sausage that we thought was so fire?
It really wasn't.
Yes, it was. You tripping. Alright, now that's enough crawfish. I mean, that's enough potatoes.
No. Wow. Yeah.
Gone. Okay, y'all. Now for the sausage. We have Mr. T's. We don't have that good pepper sausage. But it's okay, because I'm not going to eat a lot of the sausage. I eat enough of that. Mind you, y'all, this sausage is still frozen. So I'm gonna have to, make do with a deal. I really hope this crawfish tastes good because, y'all, I've been craving crawfish. I haven't had crawfish all season.
And that's how I had crawfish for my birthday.
But guess what? I'm still gonna fuck it up because that's how much I fucking want crawfish.
That's how I had crawfish for my birthday. Thanks to Jamal's mom. You hear me? Yeah, that crawfish came in clutch, bro. We was in the fair. Boy, we walked the whole fucking parade, literally, all the way to the fair. All the pieces seafood.
When you could have just called me. But
I mean, we didn't want to. You choosing one of these? I was actually to come to the fair with you.
When?
For my birthday.
Not true.
But somebody was there, so I didn't want to,
Yeah, when I was there, you told me she was there.
But I had
cut it smaller, like this.
5 minutes before you even in. So
I'm asking you.
It comes small.
Some more? Do more? Yes or no? Thank you. Yeah, I think Chris loves me by now.
You think?
I thought it was this one.
No. That's not that. You get all that.
But yeah, good. If today was the last day of your life, how would you spend it? Doing this with Chris?
Jumping off of Jordan.
That's crazy. You wouldn't spend your last day with me.
Fuck no. I'll do this. I'll spend it with little Okelu.
Doing this would be good enough for me. Then just let me die happy.
I would have to go somewhere.
My hand doing.
Huh?
What advice do you think your 45-year-old self would tell you?
That money.
Save better. Don't try to grow up too fast. Stuff like that.
For real.
Because when you grow up too fast, shit start happening just as fast as you're thinking. You at just like, you know what I'm trying to say? Hot to the butt?
Yeah. You can cook these long enough. Told you. Not supposed to look like this.
Mine didn't look like that. They red and it was floating to the top. Them bitches was on the stove for a long time though. Ugh. Okay, wait.
You fucked up.
I guess some of them is good though.
Yeah, some of them.
Okay. What is your definition of cheating? Yo, this is a very, very interesting topic.
My definition of cheating?
Yeah.
Commenting with a niggas.
You want to take it down?
In your face.
Mm.
And texting too. Because why you go text him then when you can text me there? Even when you're mad at me.
I think he's trying to be petty right now, but my definition of cheating is, I mean, really, if you gotta blink, sneeze, cough, stare at another girl, you're cheating on me. Because you gotta stare at her for, you gotta blink at her for, you gotta sneeze at her for, you gotta cough at her for.
Sneeze. I can't sneeze.
Not add towards her. Can't do this. Achoo, because I could beat you. You trying to say, I just sneezed my way into your presence. Let me get your number.
But don't man.
No, for real. My definition of cheating is like texting other girls, mixing with other girls, shit like that. But if you gotta cheat, then
I don't care if you doing that. I don't know you doing nothing. So
yeah, no links,
you hear me?
no side eyes, none of that.
None of that. Just straight me and you. When we get somebody, when we get somebody else private, look at my private. Look at somebody else and look at my ass.
When was the last time you felt loved? Last night. I'm gonna tell y'all why, yo. Because I had pissed him off, right? And stuff. And we was arguing. And so after the fact, we made up. And he hugged me like this. Alright, and I felt loved.
I'm so fucking
And he
sick.
kissed me on my forehead too. He's so sweet.
So me kissing him in the forehead, you feel love.
Yeah. You give me butterflies.
I do.
Yeah.
You give me cramps.
Be for real.
Fuck with you, bro. Come in for do that. Love you too.
Alright guys.
I love you more than you love me though.
Yo, it look like I love him more.
Only y'all would know.
He do. What is your greatest accomplishment? I don't have one yet.
Leaving my last relationship. I
I'm gonna cut that out there. Cause you know she gonna watch it. My greatest accomplishment will have to probably be I don't know.
Neither.
I don't have one
It's
yet.
coming soon though.
Yeah.
Just watch and learn.
I think it will probably be us moving together.
You don't
That's
move
not
together.
No, I said will be.
In the next couple days.
Something you wish you could spend more time on.
Myself.
Yeah.
You hear me? And
I would have to say and getting to learn Chris. Cause I really don't I know Chris, but I don't get to learn him.
why you wanna learn me? Why you wanna learn me?
I want to know what makes you mad. What makes you happy, everything. What is your favorite part of being in a relationship? The hugs and kisses.
Nah. Being in your presence. Being in my presence.
Yeah. Yo, he I don't know. I like being in Chris' presence because I don't sleep whenever I'm by myself. But when I'm with him, he said I'd be snoring and all.
Oh. Don't make no fucking sense.
What is your favorite song lyric?
My favorite song lyric right now?
Yeah.
Hard not life, shoot on sight, rock and roll. It's 100 hoes.
Mine is lie.
Shorty drain them, love is low, low, low.
If money didn't exist, where would you travel to? Bora
If money-
Bora.
I live out there. If we couldn't live out there, we was moving there. We was moving.
What is your dream job?
YouTube.
Yeah, either YouTube or doing like hair and shit.
Nigga, YouTube. I'm talking about a job that can pay
Would
me.
you rather have power to time travel or power to see the future? To see the future.
time travel?
I wanna know what it means.
It's the same fucking thing.
No,
Cause
it's
I can
not.
time travel to the future and see what the fuck it is going on in the
Maybe no, it's not.
So I can time travel to the future and see what the fuck going on.
I just want to see. I don't want to time travel.
I do. See where we stand.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I said to see if me and you would be together. If you had one last meal, what would it be? Spaghettis.
Some food for my mama.
I want some spaghetti with some fried chicken.
But for my mama, I want what? Some pork and beans and rice and meat.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yeah. You gotta
Yeah.
go to you. I honestly think. Yeah.
Excuse me. Money or food, which would you rather have an unlimited supply of? Money.
Money. Well, I could buy money with food. I mean, I
You
could
can
buy
buy
food
food.
with money.
What makes you jealous? Texting other girls.
Taking other niggas.
Being next to other girls.
Wow.
Cause I don't like that. You know I don't like it.
But it's up to the nigga though. Yeah, I trust your nigga, bro.
I do trust you.
Obviously you don't. But
I'm just saying, that's what I don't like. I'm telling you what I don't
trust
like.
me? You wouldn't trust me in the room full of hoes? By myself?
I do. That's why I told you couldn't wait to the party.
I don't go to parties. I don't like parties.
Do you
Last
believe in
party I
some...
really went to, Skinny Culture party. And that was they senior little shit party.
Do you believe in... Do you believe
That
in...
bit was fire. I need to throw another.
Stop!
I'll come to y'all shit again. And I got it for free.
Baby, stop.
No, for real.
Do you believe in soulmates? Yeah. I do. You did not drop crawfish on my damn jet. Don't look at me like that. Stop! Do you believe in soulmates?
What you mean?
That's what the question is. Do you believe in soulmates?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Me too. Happiest day of your life. When my nephew was born.
Happy today.
Because he was born like 6 days before I was born. I mean, yeah. His birthday is 6 days before my birthday.
I don't think I had a happiest day in my life. Happiest? I don't know about that.
I can make a happy day for you. I'm gonna give you shit. Biggest flaw.
I'll start crying.
You're lying.
That's what it was.
So if I come to you. Da.
You gotta show me proof. I ain't gonna start
Yeah, I
crying.
know. But like, you know, like you said you come in the bathroom with me anyway, so I'm taking it and then and we look at it at the same time, you gonna cry.
No, I take it and I'll look at it myself. Then I'll let you know what the fuck it is. That's what I did last time.
My biggest flaw is
I'll let you piss on the stick, then take it from me, and go hide myself. Until that bitch turn
would
out.
you be mad
Man, what?
if we had kids?
No. God won't give me nothing I can't handle.
You heard me? I could do that, y'all. Still his soul lanes. But anyways, what's your biggest flaw?
What is my biggest flaw?
I think you're cute. I think
That's a flaw?
no, a flaw is like what you don't like about yourself.
I'm ugly as fuck. But that's not a flaw to me. So I don't give a fuck.
Why you sit?
I don't give a fuck. So I don't know. I don't have a flaw.
My flaw is
I think everything I do.
could trust issues be a flaw?
Except when.
Huh?
Hmm?
Could trust issues be a flaw? I think so.
You think or you know?
I don't know. Next question. What stands out about me? But we gotta say what stands out about each other, okay?
Face. What stands out about you?
I don't say your personality. Because, like, you have
Why you
this.
stole my shit?
My personality does not stand out because I'm not even social, so that's how I know you're lying.
This shit is. You social to me. Nigga, not say nobody else. Nobody can get the same treatment I can get.
No.
from you.
Yeah, I guess our personalities. It's a lot more, but I don't want to talk about it.
What's a lot of them?
Your eyes.
I don't have no fucking eyes.
That was the first thing I noticed whenever I met you.
How?
I don't fucking know. I was like, I like his eyes. He looks high.
And them nigga wasn't even high. Until Jonas can't bring the blunt. I swear to God, like every time, bro. The same thing happened with the last one. And nigga can't bring me a blunt. Always. Never fucking fails.
If you didn't have to
You was
sleep,
just somewhere there.
baby, stop talking about that on thing. Stop. If you didn't have to sleep, what would you do with your time?
Work.
Yeah.
Work and be with this fool right here.
Even though we're always together.
You hear me?
You blink, you're gonna see us together. What was the best / worst advice you've ever received?
Oops.
Yeah, Chris, what was the best / worst advice you've ever received?
Going back.
I knew you was gonna I knew you was gonna say that. Let me tell y'all something.
From this fool right here.
I didn't think that this person would have fucking abused my fucking stuff.
What you mean?
Ruku just blowing up my damn cash up. Bitch, they ain't getting that for me.
Ruku.
Uh-huh.
What?
Well, I didn't put my Hulu.
You said Ruku.
Yeah, that's what it says it as. Ruku. It don't say thing. But y'all, I told him that because I didn't think the girl was gonna fucking just do it again. I thought at least she would, hold on. But the best advice I've ever received was
The best. Save money. But this nigga still don't know how to do that.
was to
But I'm learning. I'm trying to learn.
just
All I
move
gotta do
on.
is just do it.
To move on, that would have to be mine because for the longest I was stuck on I don't think I could move on and stuff like that. And then once I actually started putting it in my head that I could move on, I was good. So I'll have to say that's the best one. The worst advice I ever had was a nigga will beat you if he love you. That was the worst advice I've ever received from somebody. They was like, if he loves you, he'll do it. But like that is so not true.
I gotta beat you, I don't need you.
Yeah, I know. I heard that advice too. Something you love about yourself. I don't know. My attitude, even though it needs to get fixed sometimes, because sometimes I have a very bad attitude, but I like my attitude.
Mm-hmm.
You saying that it needs to be fixed?
Mm-hmm.
Baby, my attitude's not bad.
Not really.
It's not that bad, but I think when they're around
It's
mad.
bad towards me. Give me that shit.
Yes, sir. What's yours?
Well,
What do you love about yourself?
I'm a real ass nigga, you heard me? Until what?
You're a fucking horse dog.
You heard me?
Sure. I'm play with that boy. If you found
Fuck. I mean, oops.
shoot. If you found out that in 1 year you die, what would you change your lifestyle? What would you change?
I'm not gonna change shit. I was gonna do more shit.
For real.
Might even kill somebody.
I ain't gonna even lie. If I found out that I was gonna die
kill a nigga
in a year, I would probably get married to Chris.
I'll do a lot of shit.
Yeah. It would just
I'll
be
probably rob a bank. The last day.
the last day I'm living, I would probably rob a man. No
I'll
doubt.
give it to my mama.
And I'll give it to. I'll tell Chris to split it up between my mama, to it, and my older sister and my nephews.
And my mama.
Yeah, and your family too. But if you got the money, of course you're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Duh.
I'll give your mama all the money.
Most afraid of
Your mama
spiders,
nothing to do with it.
snakes. Chris. I lie. I'm not scared of Chris.
What? You scared of me. She ain't scared of me, but in a way that's in my head, she's scared of me.
Yo, I don't know why, but like, as soon as we start, like, if we arguing, and he come up close, I go like this, I start shivering, and I try to hug him. I don't know. And then I hug him, and he go, no, I'm not saying that. But you know about the other stuff, so.
About what stuff?
That's it for real. When I start shivering, then I go under him and try to hug him. And he'll be like, no, leave me alone. And then as soon as I get in the bed and I start crying, he'll hug me. He's
Stop crying.
He's so sweet. I love him. What you most afraid of? And don't lie.
Put my trust into somebody and they disappoint me.
That too. That's scary. Hardest decision you had to make? Question mark. The hardest decision I had to make was
Staying or leaving.
that is a hard decision. No cap.
Especially if you love that person.
How do you handle frustration? Crying.
I'll go get some weed, you heard me?
Oh!
Smoke that bitch in the face. Face that bitch. When I mean face that bitch, I'm talking about hitting that bitch like I'm smoking off a Friday.
How do you deal with disappointment?
Every hit, going straight to the face, down my lungs, to my brain.
Yo, he's not paying me no mind. I deal with disappointment by
Smoking.
shutting the whole world out.
I'll smoke.
I'll shut the whole world out. And I wouldn't talk to nobody. And stuff.
I'll smoke. If I don't have weed,
We have to tell them how we met.
I'll shut the whole world out too. You don't tell nobody.
Alright, y'all.
Can you know? Actually happened the other day. When I had found out something. Like, not want to tell her what happened.
Like, and y'all, he was still just laying on side of me like it was nothing. What the difference was, you could tell he was mad. You could tell something was under his skin, but he wasn't saying nothing. That's how I knew.
Like y'all say, I don't express my feelings.
But we talked
Let
about
shit
it.
go.
We did it in adult way, and we talked about it instead of just sitting there and not communicating, because communication is a big thing to me. So we communicated.
I'll communicate with you until you just do some fucked up shit. Now I can't trust you no more. So I'm just fuck it.
I mean, I feel like we handled the situation in a good way.
We did.
Even though it was a lot of, you know, back and forth, but I think it was handled in a good way. And I think that both points was reached. And I mean, clearly, if we didn't handle it in a good way, he probably wouldn't have been here. So I felt like we was both mature about it at the end of the day. And you know, what happened is not gonna get done again, and that's just that.
Oh God.
It's all about communication. If you don't know how to communicate and tell each other what's this and this and that, it's gonna be a failed relationship, and it's just gonna be failed constantly.
And then you can go to the next relationship and do the same thing.
Yeah, and you ain't gonna know no better. And a lot of my relationships used to fail because I didn't know how to communicate, and and so when I knew he was mad, yeah, we argued, but at the end, once we found out what the problem was, well, I found out what the problem was, because in my head I kind of thought it was that, but I didn't know. And once we talked about it and stuff, it was good. I just told him I wanted to talk about it, and he was like, "There's nothing to talk about." I just kept saying, "Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it." Because I didn't want to mess up nothing. I knew I had fucked up, but I didn't want to mess up our relationship because I had fucked up. Really, and it wasn't really a big fuck up. Because, like, it could have been way worse. You know? Like, how some stuff is just way worse. It could have been way worse. But I made it kind of worse from deleting it and stuff. But after I talked to him about it and stuff, we kind of just got over it. And I don't know if he forgave me, but I'm pretty sure he doesn't trust me. Right at this moment, I'm pretty sure he doesn't trust me. But, you know. But anywho, he still loves me. His trust is like this with me right now. I'm walking on a
really
thin line.
Cause you told me why you texted that.
No, because I really did think it was settled. I swear I did. And I thought he was at least telling stuff, but once I seen like you was mad, I was like, I don't think this bitch was a setup no one. That's why I deleted it.
Bro, you caught that?
No. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all how we met because in one of the videos we were supposed to tell y'all, but we didn't. You wanna tell them the story?
You can tell them the story.
Yeah.
You know, because of Javon Lawrence.
He probably gonna be on one of these
Javon
videos sooner or later.
Lawrence.
Sooner or later he'll be on one of these videos.
You'll see that. You're bound to see that.
It started. Let me see.
You didn't even touch the potatoes. Fuck up that sausage though.
Them sausages was fucking good.
Mm-hmm.
When potatoes are like, they don't have enough seasoning for me. I like the red potatoes.
That's why you didn't get them.
No, they're cheaper. Alright, so it all started when it was also the gas station. It was what, racetrack?
Yep.
Was that racetrack? I needed to put gas and I had to pee because I wasn't trying to use the porta potty.
Me too. I was going that bitch to go use the restroom.
I didn't want to use the porta potty at the fair. So I was going, but they only had like the drive-through window thing because
it was closed.
It was because of COVID.
The inside was closed.
So as I was walking to the thing, I kept hearing some niggas talking. Some guys talking, and they kept on saying something about ass, which I had heard that part or whatever.
Ooh. I wasn't talking about no ass.
No, I didn't say you, baby. I didn't say you.
I think it was Javon.
And so I started walking back to the car because they just had the drive-through window or whatever, and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna wait or whatever to go use the bathroom to a truck stop closer to the house. And next thing you know, I think I was changing my shoes because my Alexander McQueen's was hurting, so I was changing into some slippers because I thought I was going home. So I was changing my shoes, and Javon came by the window, and he was like, "My boy want to know what's your number." So I said,
Little do she know, I didn't even ask for that girl number.
I said, "Who?"
He took it off of, like, by himself to go do that shit.
I said, "Who?" And he
I'm
pointed
like, bro,
to Chris.
don't go do that.
And I was
Why
like,
would you do
"Here's
that?
my number." He said he can't give you his number right now because his phone had broke. It had just broke or something like that. So I was like, "That's cool, but that's my number." And then I think I had given him my Instagram.
No. We'll get to that part.
I think I was in a parking lot. Okay, whatever.
It wasn't a call.
So, then after that, we decided, Javon asked if we wanted to go downtown. So we was like, shit, we all got shit else to do. Let's go. And so we went to another gas station.
Shit, I went across the street from racetrack.
And what we did, I think I put gas.
I think we both had put gas.
We both was putting some gas. And then after that, I followed Javon downtown. So we had finally
He did not know where he was going.
At all. And he kept on texting. I was like, he kept on going in circles at first. And I was like, if we go in one more circle, I'm leaving. And like, I'm going home. And so,
then I had to start telling him where the fuck to go. Because he did not know where the fuck to go.
And so, after that, we parked far as fuck from downtown, first of all. Like, super duper far. And I was like, what the fuck? Already my feet was hurting because my McQueen's was on. So, but we walked, we just did this big ass circle.
But no, let me tell y'all. I wasn't even trying to talk to her. I swear to God. Because when they started walking, it was him, it was her. What's your cousin name?
Terry in London.
Terry? In London. And it was her and Javon. No, it was Javon and Terrell. Terrell was with us. You hear me? Cool. They was walking with them at first. And me and Bill like walking like
clean my hands. Why is Vince talking?
I'm with you.
No, but for real though, he gave me his jacket. Babe.
What?
Oh my god, so he gave me his jacket and stuff because it was cold. We really just was talking about like each other, like
Bruh.
we was really getting to know each other. That fucking shit did not fall all the way out.
Yeah, we talking to know each other and shit, you heard me?
Yeah, like it wasn't nothing deep. It was just getting to know each other.
So at that point, we was just friends, really.
Yeah, like for real. And we were just saying like how we both thought each other was cool as fuck and shit like that. And
we were talking about our little relationship, little thing. I told her that I had somebody and shit.
yeah,
But we weren't really in the relationship. Like we was just talking. We've been talking.
Yeah,
so
like
much.
that was the thing. Me and him, we both was just like we was running into each other. Like we was literally friends. Like we met that day and we literally was just we clicked from that very second. Like it was it's like never a dull moment with us two. Like it's my fucking bestie. I'm falling in love with my best friend. I mean,
It's a dirty shirt.
I'm not a good crawfish on it. I fell in love with my bestie.
Come on, man, your short ass fingers.
But that's how that happened. And then after that, what happened? So we all kind of bust out. I was a little intoxicated.
And then nigga came bring me Jonas. Like I said, this nigga always somehow always bringing the blunt. You know, butter blunt. And you
I was
smoked that
intoxicated and I put my car in neutral. So somebody has to drive me home. But then what, like the next day or like 2 days after that, we
blunt. I
linked
think it
up.
was 2 days ago, yeah.
2 days after that, we linked up and I picked him up from who house? Bill?
No, Jonas.
I picked him up from it was Bill house.
It was the house.
It was Bill
How the fuck you gonna tell me the way you dropped me off the other day? You remember that?
Okay, well I picked him up from there. And
It's the house.
And so I picked him up from there and basically we went to the park and we was talking and stuff. We was really talking about like our relationships and stuff.
Yeah.
We was just friends running into each other.
Yeah.
When I told him who my ex was, he bust out laughing. I remember that shit because you started running around the fucking park like that shit was funny.
Like,
And I was like, get in the car, Chris. But it was so funny. And
Well, me and Bill know why. You heard me?
me too.
Well, she know why now, but you know.
But
You heard me?
what else? We walked around the park. He tried to throw me by them ducks, and I was scared. Like the park was just like that's a place that me and him just go. Like that's our thing now. Now like sometimes we go to the park. I feel like that's our thing.
You just chill over there.
Yeah. Yo, we like the other day
We don't
was,
do things that I think we do.
yeah, like it's never that. Like we literally be sitting there talking. Like the last time before we even really was like talking, like how do I say it?
What you mean?
Like before that, when we went to the park, it was there for hours. Like before we was like,
You talking about like the last time we went to the park?
before we was like in a relationship talking.
Like, what you mean? Like when you can't pick him up from me?
So that's like before we was in a relationship talking,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so before we was in
twins.
we was just twins, like just best friends, nothing deep. Y'all, we stayed in the park for at least 3-4 hours talking. Like I'm laying on the bench, he's sitting up looking at the water. Like we falling asleep at the park type talking. Like that's how it was. Like, but I guess that's just our thing. Maybe Gerard Park is what we should get better.
Oh.
I want to get engaged at Gerard Park. No, for real. Like, if I was to get engaged with him, I wanted to get engaged at Gerard Park because that's our thing. Like, we constantly go to Gerard Park. Like, we should go. I'm not saying like constant, but like we could have went to any other fucking park and went to Gerard Park. Big to big. Just matter of fact, just the other day when you was talking about going to Gerard Park, like a while back.
Yeah.
See, like it's just always Gerard Park is the first park that comes to mind. It's never no other park.
I mean,
that's why I say like it's gotta be.
Most like it's the park that everybody goes to. And FBA. Mostly everybody got other parks that everybody go to.
Yeah, I know, but I'm
Mostly
just
everybody
saying,
goes
like
to
I'm
Gerard
just saying though, like it's different parks. You could have been like, let's go to the park by the zip.
Park. Oh, I don't want to go to the park by the
But I'm just saying, like I'm giving you an example. I'm not saying that's where you want to go, but I'm saying like we could have said any other park, but it's always Gerard Park. But yeah, yo, what's what happened? That's not happening.
Next day, we went live together. Somebody was wearing.
I mean,
After the first time we went to the first time we went to Gerard Park.
yeah, he did like a boomerang,
Us holding hands.
but it was
Somebody was acting
only to piss
Yeah.
people off. We only did it to piss our significant others off. That's why we did that. And did it work?
Yes.
Yes, it did. But I don't know.
That's what actually made. I think that's what actually made
Her not
me
liking
getting
me.
no. That's what made us getting in a relationship.
What?
Me and the person. Cause then she wanted to link up for real. After that.
Cause you had linked up with me first. LOL. But anyway, so now
When I had told her straight up, I said, bro, you keep acting like this, you heard me? I made this girl at the fucking fair. Just tell me what it is. What it ain't. I told her in the whole paragraph, but that's what I remember telling her.
but now we are here.
Because she did not want to link up with me at all.
Oh.
Who else?
Oh. But now me and Chris is here. We're not talking about those people
Yeah.
anymore. But now me and Chris are here, and that's how we met each other. And I love him. But the love that I have for him is totally different now because I love him as a friend and as a lover. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like, if me and Chris was to stop talking, I would always be his friend. Like, that's how our bond is. Like,
Because before that, we was just friends.
exactly. So it's like, I would never lose any type of love for Chris. Like, he could be like, I don't want to talk anymore, like, but I would still be his friend. Like, he could call me and be like, Kay, what you think I should do about this? And I would still talk to him. Like, I wouldn't treat him any different just because we stopped talking on a different level. Got to rapping and that's how it happened. I told you to say excuse me. I didn't say fucking do that in my
I say excuse me.
Alright, y'all. I guess that's the end of this video. Clearly, the crawfish was okay. It could have been pepper, more pepper.
Better.
Yeah, it could have been better, but it wasn't. It wasn't nasty. But I give it in the middle.
I give it a 5.
Yeah, I give it
1 to 10.
Yeah, cause it could have just been more spicier. To be honest, that's really it.
Really, was just missing the crawfish.
That's it. It was pepper, not pepper, but it had a seasoning. No,
You can taste the seasoning.
yeah, cause sometimes you know how it just be tasting like crawfish water.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't taste like that. I tasted a little bit of the seasoning. So I give it half. But the potatoes, I wasn't really fucking with the potatoes.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
That sausage was good.
Sausage was good. I feel like because we're right over the vent, everything was like getting cold faster, so it kind of fucked up the taste a little bit. Plus, we had took the potatoes and the sausage out first, so they kind of got cold a little bit. But other than that, everything was pretty decent. To say that was our first time bought a crawfish, everything was pretty decent.
That's not my first time bought a crawfish. I bought crawfish in like a
yeah, but like whenever I bought crawfish on the stove before, like I had crawfish ball.
Yeah, like,
and I had like the juice shit too.
Yeah,
like you know what I'm talking about?
When I bought crawfish on the stove all the time, except this time, the crawfish already been cooked already. We just gotta warm that.
Yeah, I never. Well, no, I lied. Me and my stepmama did bought live crawfish on the stove before.
I did.
But we had crawfish ball. That's why it tasted. You know, we had the right ingredients to go in it. But I guess we did okay for our first time. Maybe we'll try again. But we'll have the right ingredients and stuff. But we'll have the right ingredients and stuff. And that's really it. I guess we signing out. I don't know. That's it.
Yep.
Y'all, look at Chris phone. It's your girl Kay. So cute.
Why you showing my broken phone?
I wasn't showing them your broken phone. I was showing them your pretty.
You wanna know what happened to my phone? I see that bit.
Turn it back on.
Nigga was fucking. Nigga just got home. Nigga high as fuck, you heard me? Took everything in my pocket. My phone was in my pocket. Money in my pocket. Took everything out and put it on the bed. Fucked my whole world up. Nigga started crying in that bitch.
Well, it's your girl Kay signing out.
It's your boy Chris. Signing in and out. You heard me?
And we'll see y'all next time.
You heard me? On
On my ass. I lied again.